I know learning cloud can be very much difficult for you. So many services, so many terms. Where do we ever begin? So I'm starting a YouTube series where we are going to talk about 30 days of AWS Cloud. We are going to talk about the real based scenarios, questions, practical on the AWS Cloud, and even the interviews questions also. So in this journey, we are going to take the 30 AWS Cloud services, and we are going to start with that particular part. In the AWS Cloud Service, we are going to move with the EC2, we have S3, we have Lambda, we have VPCs, we have EKS, we have AKS, we have lots of services. So in this 30 days of AWS journey, we are going to talk about all this particular part. So this series is going to be perfect for if you are a beginner's part, if you are a student, or even preparing for the placements, if you are working professional and looking for the switching to your career into the clouds or the DevOps part, and as anyone who's preparing for their AWS interviews and the questions part. So now the next thing is like, what is the prerequisite of this particular trainings part? So you should have your AWS accounts. Okay, the AWS accounts are the mandatory part because everything we are going to do practicals on our AWS only. So if you don't have any AWS account, you can just create, or if else you face any issues, if you face any queries, you can just ask me in the comment section. I can create a separate video how to create an AWS account. Now, what's next? We are going to have a hands-on and the extras part. Don't worry, it not be about the theory part. We will be exploring each and everything: how to launch virtual machines, how to upload, how to download images from the S3, how to create functions on the Lambda, how to push images to the ECR, how to create your Kubernetes clusters. So everything we are going to go with the practicals part. So there is no worry about only theory part. And I will be also share the real world interview questions with you, and I will try to create a progress tracker sheet where you can just come up with me and you can just join me and you can just tick your mark and you can just have a track on this particular part. Now I'm going to also create a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we are going to post one sheet. In that sheet, we are going to keep the tracker from the day one. We are going to study EC2 in the EC2 what all those services we have read out. That we are coming up with the including with some interview questions also, like 5-6 interview questions what on the basis of EC2 it's been asked. Then you can ask your doubts there. You can connect with your other learners also, and you can just get updates and the bonus resources also. So I will just try to add the link into the descriptions part of the WhatsApp group. You can just go there and join the WhatsApp group of me. Then if you follow this particular series, so we will having at the end of the series, we are going to create one big project, that is an integrations project of the multiple series, like full stack kind of projects. We are going to deploy some things on the AWS cloud, and managing we are going to use this particular things also. So be with me, and we are going to explore much on the AWS cloud. So if you are new to this particular channel, don't forget to get your subscribe and bell icon, press the bell icon, so you will get the daily updates of the new videos. Okay, so let's make the 30 days next 30 days count, and whether you are preparing for the placement, switching careers, or just starting with the cloud journey. So this challenge will be set up in the right foundations for you. Comment I am in, and if you're joining, and let me see you in day one of the EC2 instance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. See you soon from the day one.